Hey traders, Jason with Day Trading Fearless. In this video, I just want to make really quick for you guys was a price analysis. As I did one on Friday, I told you all to watch. There's a inverse head and shoulders starting to form. We were at the upper end of this trend line. I said we were either probably going to break out or we could reverse lower. But with the pattern, the odds were better to break out, right? And then I also said, watch around the 85 level, which would be our first major level of resistance. Well, it's Sunday afternoon and we're at 8,000 or 80,043 right now. So we're about 5 away from that resistance level. On the Ethereum side, this is the Ethereum Zombie Inu pair. So watch for this. I actually think we're going to keep going. I think we could see at least the 10 level right here. Just literally in the last couple hours, or probably last day or so, we've had on the Ethereum side of Zombie about a 60+% move, we'll give it. But now let's go look at the big boy right now. Let's take a look at Zombie Inu on the Binance side. And I kind of said there was a different pattern going on. This was more of a wedge. We were right here. And I said to watch for potential break or rollover, same exact thing. Now, I also said I wanted to see lower prices so I could buy more, but we got higher prices, and I'm glad I bought more when I did, because I told you guys over the last couple weeks I was buying around this 4 level. So those profits are really nice right now. But look at the run on the Zombie side with the Binance side, okay? We went all the way up to, what, 10.5? Okay, now when we look at the Ethereum side, we're only at 8, we'll say right now, right? So there is a little disconnect going on. Either the Binance side has to come back down or the Ethereum side has to catch up. If it was me, I think this will actually pull back. I think the Binance side will pull back to the 80 level and kind of go from there. Get realigned back with the Ethereum side, and then I think Ethereum will rise up a little bit. So I'm probably more bullish on Ethereum right now, playing catch up, and the Binance side probably pulling back. But look at these levels now. One thing with the Binance side is we were in the downtrend making lower highs, lower lows. Well, with this move, we took out these highs of 99. And so now this entire market structure has changed from being a bearish to a bullish trend. So we will see what happens. I've been saying I really like all this price action down here over the last couple months, this kind of sideways price action, because I believe when we do break out above the 25 level of kind of these all-time highs, it'll create a really, really good support level with all of this price action. So we should see a nice move higher once we break out. So those are my thoughts. I just want to kind of give you guys a quick chart update, not to brag or anything, but it's more of, hey, patterns, watch the charts. The charts will tell you so much in the patterns, and if you could be patient and wait for certain things, usually you will be rewarded. One final thing, they did, Zombie Inu did add a new member to the board, Digger. Kind of read up on him. Really interesting guy. I think he's going to bring a whole bunch to the Zombie Inu team. So welcome if you're watching this, Digger. And we're along for the journey for at least the next few years. Very excited to see what happens. And with all that being said, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can see more videos of me making price analysis charts like this for the zombie mob team. That's why I do them. So hopefully it helps. And until then, we'll talk to you soon.